So as the largest adjusting firm for mortgage servicers, we've always helped our clients and the industry in times of disaster. Going back to Katrina and Sandy, and especially the storms of 2017, we've always fielded solutions to help the industry. From putting together a hotline for our clients and others to call and talk for free to our adjusters about questions they may have about the insurance claim process or, arcane insurance terms, to putting visualizations of data on our website so our clients can understand their claims exposure in the affected region. We've always done these things and really done that as part of our service to the industry. But 2017 was really an anomaly. The storms and the fires were so extreme that we felt like we had an opportunity to really field something that could help the industry. When you look at our suite of solutions, from our baseline hazard claims adjusting service through our flood insurance auditing service and our new loss draft management platform, you can really see a solution offering there that helps mortgage servicers be completely prepared for disasters and also tap into essentially an infinitely scalable resource, our experts, to be ready for the storms no matter what the size and scope may be. Also, our mortgage investors can really now understand at a much more granular level, thanks to our data and analytics services, what the disaster component of credit risk management means to them.
So DeMont started over 20 years ago in the hazard claim space, and really throughout the last several years have become experts in all things insurance related. So we took our offering and we expanded it into the flood field because we kind of determined how to add additional value to our clients would be to unify our component service offerings and be able to provide efficiency, time savings, and cost savings to our servicer clients. So our flood solution takes compliance to a new level in regards to the Biggers Waters Act. And so what we do is that we take our team, our expert team, and we match that with data and put that through our technology platform, which is able at that point to produce an accurate valuation of the property. This ensures compliance for the servicer, that the borrower is not overcharged for any of their insurance. And in addition to that, it helps the borrower be protected for the collateral as well as the servicer. So in the event there's a loss, that they're adequately protected. So then servicers came to us in regards to loss drafts, and they really talked about their concerns with the process. If you don't know what a loss draft is, it's a multi-party check that's issued as a result of a loss on a property. So my favorite example is the tree that falls on the house. You file your insurance claim, you get a check, and that check comes payable to you and your bank, and all of a sudden you don't know what to do. So you call the bank to find that out. The process is governed by investor guidelines, which are extremely complicated and dependent upon a number of different variables. So it's really difficult for the borrower to really understand what they need to do. I've had firsthand experience with this. I've actually listened to calls that borrowers have made to the bank, and one poor gentleman calls in and says, I've got this check, it's made payable to me and you, and what do I do? And so the call agent just talks about, well, this is what the process is, and you're going to get multiple disbursements, and there's all these documents that are required. It's this, 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 and this. And at the end of the call, the guy says, okay, sounds great. So what do you want me to do? So at that point, we figured by taking our technology and providing a disruptive self-service technology platform where the borrower can help drive this process and get the education that they need, that would be the key indicator of how to help the borrower and our servicer clients by having visibility into the process. DeMont's been around a long time, and we have incredible expertise amongst our staff. And in addition to that, we are a data-driven company. So we are able to take data that we've accumulated over the last 20 years and really be able to work with that to provide our client with some interesting solutions. We're able to prepare predictive analysis for them to help them understand where their claims potential may be, which helps them understand what their exposure to risk is. So I see a lot more innovation coming with this, with the more data that we're collecting and the more information that's available. So I'm very excited to see what happens next, but I think there's going to be a lot of innovation here. You know, I've been in this industry for 20 years now, and as a former senior executive in default law firms and title companies across the United States, the fluctuations in volumes, the changes in the industry, the additional regulations required have really caused companies to have to get a really good understanding of how they can increase their efficiencies and still maintain excellent customer service. So that's really important to me. And when I came to DeMont, it was very clear from day one that they are an innovative company. And innovation is the only way that we're going to make a positive change in the industry. So by taking our data, by taking our expert staff and our technology solutions that we build and that we maintain, it's a way for us to make a positive impact to the community, to the mortgage banking industry, and to the end user client of the servicer or bank, which would be the borrower.
Hey, thanks for visiting us at DeMont. We hope you like what you've seen and heard, and certainly if you have any questions, we invite you to reach out to us. Our job at DeMont is to help our lender clients cut their operating expenses and reduce their losses on the collateral due to damage. We invite you to reach out to us and see how we can help you.